to the yellow sign there. Signal right, check your mirror and check your blind spot, right blind spot, just before you pull over. And you want to slow it down quite a bit, even slower. There we go. Nice. So you're getting your front tire right on that crack, and then allowing the back tire to follow through, and both tires are right on that crack.
I'm not sure
So,
if they are, but...
yeah, if you look over here, you can tell your tires are on that crack because you can't see it.
Okay.
Right, so you're just the right amount of space here.
Okay.
You could even get a little closer next time, but this is good.
Should I keep the signal on?
You can cancel the signal and put it into neutral.
This is neutral?
Cancel your signal. Okay, now the blue light under the green light, that tells you your high beams are on. Is it on? I can't really...
Yeah, I just turned it on.
Okay, so here, now what you want to do, because you're parked facing downhill with a curb, you're going to use this curb to your advantage to lock yourself in place. So angle your wheels all the way to the right, as far as it goes. And just a little bit off the brake, a little bit at a time. Just let it roll slowly into the curb. There you go, without bouncing.
Oh.
So a little slow. No, that's okay. That's okay. It's just when you can control that
So that's how you park.
Okay, so now to depart from the curb, go ahead and very first thing you want to do is straighten the wheels out so there's no risk of forgetting that and then going over the curb. Before you get back into traffic, you want to signal your intention. Yeah. Now, you see this car coming down the hill? Cancel your signal so he doesn't think you're going to pull out in front of him. Once he's passing you, you can reapply your left signal. Check the mirror again, and then your left blind spot.